Real Estate with Raza here, and we're going to be discussing the renewal market nightmare really happening in the GTA and all of Canada. What's happening is 35% of people have renewed their mortgages into higher rates already, and we're seeing the effect of that because inventory numbers are really skyrocketing. Every week when the homes come onto the market, they usually sell over the weekend. And when Monday comes around and Tuesday comes around, we see inventory drop off. People sold their homes over the weekend, they bring in the deposit checks on Monday or Tuesday, waive the conditions, and the property comes off the market. Now, when the number drops normally on Mondays and Tuesdays, it creeps back up on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We get more homes come on the market, and the showings and continue on the weekend, and the same thing happens. It recycles over and over. But we're not seeing that. The inventory numbers are not dropping on Monday and Tuesday. So they didn't drop yesterday, they didn't drop today. Now, that's very alarming and concerning because all the years that I've been checking numbers out, they always drop on Mondays and Tuesdays. So these rates that we're seeing that have gone higher, they're having a drastic effect on our inventory numbers. People are being forced to list their homes after their renewal. They try keeping it for a little while and they realize they can't manage. So they're putting it on the marketplace and they're trying to get them sold. Now that's 35% of the homeowners who have renewed their mortgages into higher rates. I'm not talking about the new purchases, I'm talking about the renewals. By the end of this year, 2023, we will have 47% of the people who will be in a renewal situation. Now, a lot of people don't pay attention to renewals, believe it or not. They will look at the rate on the day they get it, and that's when they'll be in a shock and awe situation, and they're going to see their mortgage payment skyrocketing. So by the end of this year, we'll see 47% of those people in that situation, and going into next year, 2024 and 2025, 65% of people who have mortgages will have renewed into the higher rates. Now, we've already seen the impact it's had on the inventory numbers when 35% of the people have been impacted. The inventory numbers is going to rise. We're going to see something change in our marketplace we haven't seen in years. The fall market is going to have higher inventory than the summer market, and that's really unheard of. So these are the telltale signs. This is not about doom and gloom. You have to adjust accordingly. My job is to report the information to you as a realtor and let you know, even if you're in a situation where you have to sell and you need to move, that's a different ballgame for you, because when you sell and buy in a certain market, it doesn't impact you because you're not a first-time buyer. You're selling a home in that market, whatever condition it's in, and you're buying one in that same condition. So you kind of just move sideways. So the market will still shift. The market will still sell. There will be homes they'll come on the market and get sold. The market will keep moving. It may slow down though. We may see less sales coming onto the marketplace. So these renewals are a big cause of concern. And also one thing Bank of Montreal released is car loans. Bank of Montreal is getting out of the car loan business because last year they had 192 million write-off when it came to bad loans. This year, that's at 492 million. That's 3.6 times higher than last year. People are not paying their car loans. People are facing difficulty. And remember one thing, people will stop paying their credit card. They will stop paying their car loans and all their other loans before they stop paying their mortgages. So we're already seeing that. People have stopped paying their credit cards. People have stopped paying their car loans. And this is not everybody across the board, but the numbers that are coming out are very alarming. So when it comes to your renewal, you might want to talk to the bank right now. You might want to look at your situation and not find your situation where you're forced to sell. Sell on your own terms. Sell in a situation if you need to downsize, do it while you're still able to do it. And it's Real Estate with Raza. Reach out anytime. We have a lot of people who do reach out to us, and we can help them restructure the situation. And it doesn't even mean that they have to sell or buy. We have a conversation with them. We kind of lay the options out, whatever works best. And it's up to the client to accept what they feel is best for them. Again, guys, it's Real Estate with Raza. Inventory numbers are going very, very high. We're at 10,400 homes for freehold homes in all of GTA. I haven't seen that number in about 4 years. And when it comes to condos, we're over 8,000 condos listed in the GTA, and I haven't seen that number in many years either. So inventory is rising. The rates are having the impact that they thought they would. Jobs are starting to diminish. So it's going to be an uphill battle in the real estate market later into the year and going into next year. If you have any questions, please reach out anytime. It's 416-995-7317. It's Real Estate Raza. And until next time, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.